Hey everyone, so we're in hotmess.com right now. So I have a bag of goodies. This bag of goodies is for my tree topper. So I'm here in my family room and I'm going to be doing my tree topper in this video. I'm not sure if I'll get to the whole tree. I maybe can start on it. It takes me a little while to get a tree together. So I'm gonna start on the tree topper, and we'll just go from there, okay? But if you're new to Homebody, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you're not, thank you for clicking on the video. I love you, mwah, 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 mwah. So much, so much, so much. So, what do I have in this bag? Let me take everything out of the bag. So this room is not together. I'm going with the flow. I'll be through decorating for Christmas probably within the next couple of weeks. This is actually for my living room here. I'm going disco in there. I'm adding snowflakes in with my Grinch tree. I'm doing the Grinch with a twist. Then I have this little thingy here. It's going in my topper. And this is for my living room. These are my disco balls. And then this is for my kitchen. I'm going gingerbread on my kitchen. It's going to be so pretty. It's not going to be a whole bunch of gingerbread. Just a gingerbread here and there. Just a pop of gingerbread. So this all came from that Christmas store. And then, I got to add a little glam in everything I do. So here's some little glam. Glam in the family room here. I only got 2 of these because I'm probably going to put them on my TV stand, probably. Let's get started with the topper. By the way, if you didn't see my previous video, my Grinch is from Target. It's one of those dancing, singing Grinches, and I have the function turned off because it can get kind of annoying with all that singing going on. So what I'm going to do first is I thought I had 2 of these. I only have 1 of these. Yeah, I only have 1 of these. What was I thinking? I don't even know what was I thinking. I try to at least get 2 or 3 of each pick for the tree. So everything in that store was like 85 to 50%. Oh, it's a fly in here. 85 to 50% off. I'm so sad. I only got 1 of these actually, but I'm not going back to the store. We're going to make this one work. So I'm going to take this up here. I'm going to take all these up the I'm going to take everything up the ladder with me so that way I don't have to keep coming down cuz I don't have an assistant here. I don't have an assistant. It's all me by myself. Whew. So I'm on this ladder. And we're just going to work with the 1 of these. It gets pretty, if it opens up pretty wide. Look at that. So I'm going to stick this. What I do is since I'm not showing the back of my tree, I don't care what's going on at the back of the tree. I'm pretty much concerned about what's going on in the front. So I just take it and I stick it in the tree. No way, form, or fashion or anything like that. And since my tree is 8 feet tall and my ceiling is 9 feet tall, so I'm okay with this like up there by the ceiling. That's actually cute. I like that. So let me see what else I'm gonna go in with next. So next, now I thought I had gotten 3 of everything, but it looks like I didn't. I didn't get 3 of nothing. Don't look like I got 3 of nothing. So let me take this out. This is one of the reasons why. I love the holidays, but this glitter, I tell you, yeah, this one right here, it opens up too, but I want to turn this one. You know what? I want this in the front. So I'm gonna take that out the back. I want my stuff, this to be in the front. You see why I said I may not I may not decorate this full tree. Well, I know I'm not gonna decorate this full tree in this video. Yep, so yeah, I want that in the front. I don't want it in the back. And you can bend this stuff, you can work with it. And then my next one I'm gonna go in with is this one, because it looks like I only purchased 2 of these, which I have no idea. I usually try to get 3 of each one. But honey child, so that one went in the front, this one on the side, and I want this other one to go on the side as well. And I'm just dropping all this on the floor along with all that glitter. And this one is going to go over here on the other side. I try to make things symmetrical. I'm going to have to get down and go check this one out. I'm going to have to get down the ladder to see if I like the way that looks. So I like the way that looks. Oh, I went to the store and got 1 of one topper pick and 2 of the other and 2 of these. I guess I think I must have played around with it and saw that it was working, so I didn't get them all. But so I have 2 of these. I didn't want to put too much red in my topper. I wanted red to be kind of like a pop of color in the tree, not like a primary color. I'm really liking that green. I got a lot of red going on now. These are cute. I should have gotten 3 of these. For Lisa, what were you thinking? Girl, that's pretty. Now, I really need to be on the other side of that tree, putting this one in. But your girl gonna try to wing it from over on this side. We gonna see what it do. Let's see what it do. Because I don't feel like moving all that mess off the floor trying to put this thing in this tree. So I think I like that. I do, but what I want is I needed another one. Woo, I'm about silly as all outdoors, but it may work out. It may just work out because I don't have, you know what I'm gonna do, guys? I'm gonna move this over some so that way some of my red can come to the front. I'm gonna stick my hand in here to see where this one is going. I think this it right there. Yeah, so I stuck I can just turn it that way. And this one right here, I want it going to the front. So the catch to my tree is, the catch to my gingerbread. The catch to my Grinch tree are the snowflakes. My Grinch over here has a snowflake. I actually added that snowflake to his hand. And I'm going to throw in snowflakes because I love the Winter Wonderland theme for the holidays. And y'all know I used to do polar bear. Oh, that's going to be cute. Oh, I'm out of hand, huh? Yes, that's cute. I love this. So let me straighten out my little snowflake arms so they won't look deformed. Yep. Now I did get through. Oh, I thought I was falling. I did get 3 of these. I should have bought some more to go in the body, but I have some other type of snowflakes that I can use in the body of the tree. But I wanted to use these in the topper. So since I have 3 of these, I'm going to put 1 on each side and 1 in the middle. I need to, I don't know what I need to do. Oh, Lord. Something's stopping it from going in. Let me see here. There we go. You got it, girl. You got it. So I'm going to, my daughter has some music playing in her room. I sure hope that you're not able to hear it through my microphone, because I'm gonna have to, if so, I'm gonna have to do a voiceover on the video. I don't think she know I'm in here doing the video because she wouldn't have the music on. So I'm gonna take this one and I'm gonna turn it this way, since this one is turned that way, and I'm gonna try to wing it. I'm gonna try to wing it because I don't want to have to get to the other side of the tree. So let's see here. I wanted to go that way since this one is going that way. So let's see if I can wing it, love. Let's see what your girl can do here. I'm gonna see if I can wing it. I'm gonna stick it up here from the top and go down. Go down. Nope, that's not right. Don't look like I'm be able to wing this one unless I do it like this. I'm gonna have to get on the other side if I can find out where this one is going. Let's see here. I may have winged it, guys. I may have winged it. Ooh, I really, really like that. Now, I need to put my little Grinch hand in the tree. I'm going to put it up there with the topper. I'm going to try to see how it looks in there with the topper. If not, I'll just try maybe put it somewhere else. I like that. So this is a little Grinch hand, hanging a little ornament. I thought this was cute. Oh, they got little wood sticks in here. You can't maneuver around with this stick, but it does hang over like that, which is the cute thing about it. I want it coming out my topper, coming over that way. Yeah, that's how I want it. Let's see if I can wing this without moving all that stuff over. So I'm just gonna take it and I want to stick it like right there. Or do I kind of want it going like to the side, like that. I think that's fine. Yeah, that's cute. Yay! I did the topper, and I'll just decorate the tree in another video because I think right now the video is probably about 10 minutes long, maybe longer. Let me go check it out. But yes, the topper is done.